Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop infected with malware. For the past few weeks I have seen that my CPU usage has gone up to 100% and also my laptop fans run very loud until I open Task Manager. So whenever I open Task Manager over here, I have noticed that there is a sudden drop in CPU usage and also my laptop fan's speed has gone down. This is due to a malware. If you are facing similar kind of issue, then this video is for you. Now the question is how to fix this. I have gone through the internet, I have found a lot of tips and tricks, I have tried all those things, I have tried something in command prompt and also I have installed a few anti-malware softwares. I have tried but the issue was not solved. So finally I found this is very helpful. So you can go to malwarebytes.com and the software name is MalwareBytes. I have installed this software and the problem got completely fixed now. So they have got two versions. One is for personal and business use, and you can check the pricings here. And I have just installed the free version, and you can download this. And this free version offers to remove malware and spyware. It can remove malware and spyware. But if you want to go for real-time protection and if you want to block ransom and other, if you want to use other features, then you have to go for premium version. But just to remove the malware and spyware which is already infected your PC, then you can go for free version. Fine. So let me show you the software, and this is the software which I have installed yesterday. This comes with 15 days trial, and that is MalwareBytes premium trial. And you can see over here that is scan button. I have just clicked here and it scanned my whole computer, and you see this, it has fixed 65 malwares. It has quarantined 65 different malwares. So let me show you the history of that. And see, this is the malware which is somewhere from C drive, Windows and all, and there were different infections, and now it has quarantined all those things, so the problem is completely fixed. Here you can play with the settings. There were a lot of options here to turn on some protection, rootkits and so many things. So you can play around with these options. So this is completely a useful software. I found this is very helpful for me. If you are experiencing similar kind of issue, definitely you can try this software and you can fix the issue. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you and thanks for watching the video.